L3-GO. He's a life-size R2-D2 that's made screen accurate out of Lego. It's the only one in the world that actually moves. He can toss a lightsaber. He can blow smoke out like a fire extinguisher. He knows about 116 different songs. He can spin his head and can dance and drive. He goes up to 10 miles an hour, 16,000 bricks. And more information can be had on L3-G0blogspot.com.
Well, that's awesome. So how is this all controlled here? What do you do to make this move?
Well, I have a forward and back. The kids are standing a little bit close, but that's forward, that's back. It's also left and right, same controller. Then the head moves on the other side, left and right. He can go fairly fast. Let me put in the thing so it doesn't fly off.
Did you make him shoot out a lightsaber?
So he goes fairly fast. He'll shoot a lightsaber out of his head like the Shem man just asked me to do, but I have to set that up.
Okay. Yeah, that's really impressive. So you've got, what's a little bit of what it's like on the inside in there?
On the inside, he's got metal and wood tracks so that he can be made from 2 legs to 3 legs to 2 legs, which he doesn't do yet, but we're thinking about making him do it. Then he also has 2 Arduinos, one in the head and one in the bottom. And he's got a lazy Susan in the head that makes it turn, and a slip ring that lets the electronics spin infinitely.
So what inspired you to do this? Did you just wake up one day and decide you wanted like a life-size R2-D2, or how did that work?
We'd already built a cruise ship on the Disney Wonder when we took a cruise with him, and we built the cruise ship, and everybody else said, what's next, what's next? And we love R2, so we thought he was a good build. He's also our first moving build.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. So this is you and your husband work on these together?
Yes, and then the mouse droid's more mine, this is more his.
Okay. Yeah, well, that's really awesome work there. So how fast can this go?
10 miles an hour unless we stack the batteries, and he can go 18.
Okay. Give it a little extra power there.
I'll tell you what, it's scary. Very scary.
Well, that is really awesome. What's the hardest part of putting this together?
I'd say the dome was the hardest part. You have to get it tall enough. The inclination is to make it shorter than it actually is. So the dome is really kind of hard to get the height on it and not have it fall in on itself.
Okay. Well, that's really impressive. Thanks for talking to us about it. I appreciate it.
I'm glad you guys like him.
Please do not forget to vote for the People's Choice Awards. You're the people. Right at the entrance. The People's Choice Awards. Be sure to note down the name or the number of the month that you voted